So hey guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video we are making this recipe called malai curry, prawn malai curry. And here we have mixed the heads of the prawn. These are the heads of the prawn which we are frying now. We have mixed them with turmeric and salt, and we are just putting them in hot oil. This is the first step we want to do, and in case you have not tried the heads of the prawn, you must go for it, because these are the most tastiest part, I would say, of the prawn. Like, head fries of the prawn are very tasty. You should go for it definitely. And here we are going to make a paste which we are going to need for this recipe, and this paste is made up with garlic, onion and chilies, and we'll just grind them quickly and then keep it aside. And here, so we are having some more heads of the prawns which we are also going to fry, and we have to fry until it becomes golden brown, just like this. When you see this color, it means it's done and it's ready to eat. If you only want to have the heads of the prawn, you can definitely try it with some rice, white oil, rice, then oil of these prawns, then some chili and salt. That is very tasty. So we are keeping aside this for those. So we are keeping aside these heads of the prawn to eat with rice and chili and salt. And here we are now with the body of the prawn. We are going to fry them up just like we did with the heads of the prawn. And yeah, we will also keep stirring them in between. And here we are done with the fry part, and so we will just take them out and we will keep them aside. And here we go again. We have few more fishes left, few more bodies of the prawn to be fried. Where are you going? Come back. Yes. Yeah, so we're done with this step, and yes, so now we will take them out and we will keep them aside. So here we're going to need masalas, garam masala like elaichi, then long, clove, and this is dalchini, another one. So we are going to make a paste of it. No, okay, sorry guys, we are not going to make a paste of it. We are just going to put them in hot oil. Yes, we are going to put them in hot oil where the bay leaf was already added. Now we will add the paste which we have made earlier, the paste of onion, garlic and chili, if you remember, and just we have to keep them stirring well. Here are the fried prawns which are waiting to get into the karhai. And so yeah, we are going to add some masalas now. This is the jeera masala, then chili powder, and we are also adding some turmeric and of course some salt. Then just we have to keep stirring them, and until unless they form a nice thick paste, and also some sugar to balance the taste. And so this is how the paste turns out, and here we are adding some coconut milk. Make sure you add only the coconut milk. You cannot use the normal milk for this recipe. It is very important that you do. And this is the homemade coconut milk which we are adding. We have squeezed out this milk from the coconut after grinding the coconut. And yeah, so now in this step you need to also add the prawns, and here we are making some garam masala. We are going to grind them this time. Yes, and now we are adding them in the curry or gravy and bring them to a really nice boil. And yes, just you have to keep stirring them and it's about to get done. That's it guys, this is it. It's done, and yes, thank you for watching.